Hey everyone, it's BachNewton here, and today we're going to be playing Game Developer Tycoon. It's a new to my channel, but it's been out for some time now. It's a indie game developer made it. So I actually have a special guest with me here. This is my girlfriend. Say hello.
Hi.
And what do you want to be called?
So I can't use my real name.
You can use your real name. It's just if you want, privacy. Oh, I'm not talking to the mic. Anyway, how about Aria?
Okay.
Alright, so Aria is here with me.
In video games.
Yes, Aria is her video game name. So, you see what we're playing right now? So, in this game, you can see it here, but pretty much you're a game developer, and you make games, and you kind of, work your way through the industry. So, Aria is very creative, and she's going to help me with, the creative aspect of making video games. And she's also never seen this game before, so this is,
Don't judge me if I'm not too creative, okay? I feel like there's a lot of pressure on me right now, and I might not perform under this pressure that you have just put on me. Alright, there we go.
You'll be fine. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so one of the first things is we gotta do a company name. So
like Apple? Let's pick a fruit.
Well,
Let's go with Pear Pods.
Okay.
It's like iCarly, but...
Is that your final... Is that your final...
No, I'm just kidding. Wait, so... First of all, I need to establish some, things about this game, because I've never played before. So, what exactly are we gonna make in the company?
So, they kind of give you a pretty broad range of games you can make. Now, you can kind of specialize, but I think it's kind of fun to mix things up. So, if I had to pick, I would say call it, a general game company that can make a whole bunch of fun stuff.
Oh, okay. So like Square Enix. Let's go like that, but we're gonna be something else. Like
Circle Enix.
No. But close. I was thinking more of Diamond. Write that, Diamond.
How do you spell that?
Oh my God! Did you really just ask how to spell diamond?
Not on the internet.
This is coming from the guy.
We don't insult each other on the internet. Now, how do you spell diamond?
Okay, D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond.
Of course.
And then, what's an Enix?
I don't know. It doesn't have to be Enix. We can be completely creative. We can actually not copy another company.
Being creative is copying companies.
Is that how everyone?
That's how everybody does it. Wow. Okay, so Diamond, and then let's put a fruit. Diamond Banana. That sounds like a good one.
Banana. Like that?
Diamond Banana. It's Apple, and it's Square Enix combined.
Yeah, I don't know if people are gonna see that, but hey, maybe if they watch the video, they will. All right, and then you want to be Aria here?
Mm-hmm.
And you are a girl, correct?
I hope so.
All right, what hair do you want?
Well, let's pick the one that I have in real life. Oh my God! None of these look like me.
Yeah, there's not many.
Wow,
choices.
This is really prejudiced against short-haired girls.
No, because look. I mean, there's not too many boy styles.
Ooh,
also.
I'll be that boy with brown hair. That looks like me.
You're gonna be the boy?
That looks like me, right?
I don't know.
This looks like you a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's go with the girl.
Okay, fine.
How about I like this one. I think she looks kind of pretty.
Okay.
All right. What shirt do you want?
Let's do red. There you go.
Yeah, the red shirt. Alright, so let's go look at the settings here. Really, the only setting option there is game light. So I'm just going to keep it unrecommended. This is how long, the game history runs. So it's kind of cool. You get teleported back in time. Woo! And this is kind of start of the game industry. So it's kind of cool. It's a bit of a nostalgia trick to anybody who knows video game history stuff.
This is Steve Jobs' basement.
Actually this is
Bill Gates' basement.
Aria's basement.
Oh my God. I'm living with Steve Jobs. That's awesome.
Okay.
Is that car that goes in? That's from Back to the Future?
I feel like I already got that.
Is that the car from Back to the Future?
It could be. All right.
Can I go back in time?
Keep in mind.
That's how I went back in time. I took the car.
When we just start the game, we've got you got monthly expenses up here, right? So but anyway, the only thing you can really do is
Holy shit.
Whoa! We gotta watch the swear words. We're on.
What?
Yeah, we're on.
Oh.
People are gonna flag us. I'm gonna have to put a maturity content thing.
Great.
All right. What thing did you notice that warrants a swear word?
Well, we have a lot of money to start out with.
Yeah, that's all our parents' money.
Really?
That's the college fund. We dropped out of college to do this.
Great.
All right. So let's make a new game. Hold on, why is it giving me tutorials?
Yeah.
I've already like.
Disable.
Well, yeah, cause like I've already done these tutorials. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. So first you gotta pick a topic. Now you can unlock more topics later in the game with research. But for right now, here are the different topics. So.
Racing, rhythm, and fashion. Let's go fashion. I'm a girl.
So a fashion game, and then what genre of a fashion game do you want?
We'll do an adventure.
So what do you kind of tell me how you think? So an adventure fashion game. Now keep in mind, they do try to think of, they do kind of rank your game based on topics that go together.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, hey.
I should probably pick RPG then.
RPG? I mean, I don't know if that goes together more than adventure.
Okay, let me pick a different.
No. I mean, you can. It's about creativity. All right. Well, what game do you want this to be called? What name do you want this to be called?
This is gonna be, shop till you drop.
Shop? You want like till like that?
No,
Till?
with one of those
What?
Yeah.
Like that? She had to. Aria had to reach over and touch it on my keyboard. You couldn't save that character.
No.
Shop till you.
It's an apostrophe, but
You drop like that. How's that?
So you didn't
Alright,
capitalize the T. That's grammatically incorrect.
Well, I don't know if till is actually one of the capitalized
It is.
words. Alright, so the platform, right? So we've got, now they did change up the names a bit for like, kind of, I don't know.
I would
fun
do
purposes.
PC.
You know, so this is the Commodore 64. Now, I just want to talk about this a little bit before you, before you jump to your decision.
Let's
your,
do
your
PC.
executive decision. Alright, well, hold on.
Because honestly, I think the cost is really high for that one, and there's not much of a difference in market share.
For the Commodore 64 is
Yeah.
what you mean. But anyway, so let me just give you some. First of all, so the different platforms have different genre matchings, and
I
so
see that.
yeah,
I already read everything.
I know, but the
I think
audience.
I got the gist of it.
But the audience is
Let's
different.
do this.
All right. Another thing that you might notice is how much money it costs to make it. So one of the things that's interesting is there's a higher market share for the Commodore 64. But it costs a lot more to make, 4 times more. So, but the CEO Aria did decide to do PC, so we are going to go with PC. So let's start making this game, all right? So next we've got our graphics choice. So remember, this is I think it's like 70 years ago, not 70, 30 years ago, or what is that, 40 years ago? It's in the 70s is what I'm trying to say, I think ish.
Is it gonna move up in time?
It is going to move up in time, yeah, right. So, but right now our only choices are 2D graphics version 1. So this is like very, very basic, you know, your kind of your minimal 2D or text-based.
Let's just do 2D graphics.
2D graphics. All right. Now keep in mind, it is a little bit more money, but that's kind of just to be expected. All right. So you're gonna start working on it, and you're gonna, as you work on it, you get design and technology points. I'll talk more about that later. But here's your first stage of development. All right. So now you get to figure out how much time you want to spend on each of these different aspects of your game. Now, different topics, different genres, they kind of recommend that you spend more time in each of these. So, for example,
I would do story and quests on high at this one.
yeah. So keep in mind, let's say I put these on high, it's not really saying I want all these to be important. It's about time allocation. So even though they're all at the max, they're just
They'd be
equally time.
equal.
Yeah. Okay.
So I would like to put gameplay down there and engine down there.
Wait. Dan, you gotta like.
Gameplay should be like midway between engine and story.
Okay.
And then engine should be like.
So engine like that, gameplay like that, story. So like 1, 2, 3 kind of allocation. Now they do give you like little hints down here. These are kind of hints that I've gained from previous
Screw
games.
hints. Let's do this.
All right.
If I fail, I fail.
So if you pick good ones,
This is America.
pick choices, you get more design and technology points. Those kind of generally figure out how good your game is.
Did I do well?
You don't know. This is the second stage of development.
Oh,
so you got
okay.
some more options. You got dialogue, level design,
Dialogue will
artificial
go up
intelligence.
to high.
Okay, all the way up.
Level design will go up to medium, and artificial
So when you say go up to
intelligence,
medium, what do you mean by that?
right there, and then artificial
Okay.
intelligence will go low.
Low. You know, I mean, you don't have to. I mean,
What is AI?
artificial intelligence. This is how the computer thinks. So this is kind of how smart the computer. So you know, let's say this was like a shooting game, right? And you're playing against the computer. This is how well the computer is at shooting you, at moving around, is trying to figure out.
Oh
you know,
God, we don't need that.
Yeah, but keep in mind, if you're trying to make an RPG game, and artificial intelligence is probably pretty helpful, but in fashion specifically, might not be as important. Okay, so we got one more stage after this. Now keep in mind, as you work, you gain bugs. So before you release the game, you want to make sure those are all gone.
What's a bug?
Let's see. Well, there are little bugs that come up. Alright, this is the final stage. So you got some special features here. So the only thing you can take out is sound. Do you want half sound or no sound? Basic sound, I'm assuming,
Sound.
is just like basic beeps and bops.
We'll do sound.
Okay. So how do you want to distribute this kind of time?
We'll put sound and graphics at the top.
So you want these equal time
Equal.
distribution? Okay.
And then world design, what's that mean?
World design, this is kind of how the world looks. So
We'll put that medium. That looks great.
okay. Do you think the audience kind of knows?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, that was the last stage. So you're just finishing it up now. What you want to do is, when you finish it up, she will, over time, put more points into design technology. Now, if you're short on money, you might want to release the game. If not, though...
The bugs are gone.
Bugs are gone. Now...
How do you do that?
She just does that automatically. Now, if you wait too long, she can just create more bugs. And also, she will put more points in design technology. But you have monthly expenses, so generally when you get to this point, you want to finish it as soon as possible. So you think we're good? Uh-oh. You want to release it
yes.
now? Alright, so we released the game. This is kind of like experience, right? So, let's see here. So pretty much, as you spend time in these different aspects of the game, you get experience in them. If you get enough experience to level up, you're better at that aspect of the game. So for example, let's say you leveled up in gameplay, right?
Yeah.
When you spend time in gameplay, it'll do even more of a bonus than it would normally. So this is just something. And then you've got, your personal score. This is how good you are at, coding and creativity and stuff like that. You like this game? I thought you would. So let's release the game. Good topic genre combination. There you go. Alright, so we got the reviews for the game. Okay.
Yes, it's gonna be fantastic.
This is pretty much gonna figure out how much money you're gonna make from the game, how well it is received by the public. So you ready for this?
Yeah.
Alright, and let's find out what we got next episode. I'll see you later, guys.